Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. My name is Kris, and on this channel I just share with you fragrances that I am personally obsessed with. For this video I chose a small selection but very curated one of fragrances that have this dark, sexy fall energy. A lot of incense, tobacco, cinnamon, divana. They're aromatic, woody, spicy, addictive, sweet. So, if you just love to smell confident in this fall gloomy weather, you have a budget to splurge, because I am a snob and all of these fragrances are niche and expensive, then this video is for you. Give it a like, subscribe, or comment. It is always much appreciated. And let's get into the video. And also don't forget to check out the description box with all the useful links, discount codes, and some of these fragrances are even available at Max Aroma. Sometimes they are heavily discounted. Let's get into the first fragrance. And I want to start with the one that, I don't know, this is perfection. It's so beautiful. It is Unique Take on Cherry. It's really a dark, boozy, black cherry fragrance. So this is Ruy Lopez by Mind Games. I cannot get enough of this fragrance. The leather with the hint of patchouli with a lot of divana and rum. So it's green, it's a little bit woody, spicy, boozy, and the cherry. This is the most natural smelling cherry I have smelled. It just smells like a cherry in a forest. While you're drinking sweet rum, you enjoy the gloomy weather and you somehow really enjoy it. You feel it, you're in your game. You feel so confident when you wear Ruy Lopez. I think you have to be a confident person to wear this one, but it's so woody, so boozy, so mature smelling, very natural smelling. This is not the typical artificial cherry. This one is gorgeous. The second one that I like is actually a cheapie. This is by NASEEM perfume, and this is Golden Signature. I think it retails for under $30 if it's on sale, which maybe currently it is, I don't know. But this is your Tobacco Amber Extreme Musk Cinnamon fragrance. Maybe it also has some red berries, or cashmere wood, but it's such an enveloping, very airy, alcohol-free, and light, long-lasting cinnamon tobacco fragrance. Look at that. Woo, it's perfection. I love to wear this one. I feel so cozy, sexy, because it's spicy but very airy. It's light. It really sits on your skin. Look at that. It sits on your skin and it's like water. It doesn't dry your skin out. So if you're conscious about that, definitely have a look at NASEEM. I don't know how many fragrances they have. I think I have just 3 fragrances from them, but this is definitely my most favorite one. The third fragrance that I love, this is also fruity, but not juicy. So this is MENESTRELLO by Canto. If you love cassis, you will love this one. It also has cranberries, cashmere wood, ambergris, musk, patchouli, it has everything. But this is your lamy and benzoin heavy cassis lavender fragrance. It's beautiful, it's spicy, it's woody. I smell here just cinnamon. I smell here a lot of cassis and cinnamon. To me, it smells like a sweet, spiced chai latte with a lot of cinnamon and vanilla, but then there's something fruity, like a fruity syrup. So it's the cassis, but it's really beautiful. It's more on the more expensive side. It's Canto, which belongs to the group of the Terenzi. But if you want to get the perfect transitional, spicy, cocooning transitional fragrance with a cassis, but with a lot of lamy that doesn't get too fruity or light, and it will stay on you for 15 plus hours, go for MENESTRELLO. The next fragrance that I have been enjoying is the one that I actually bought the original one, but it's not long lasting, so I just sold it. Anything that doesn't last and is very expensive has to go out. 2025, I don't want to put up with fragrance houses releasing extremely expensive fragrances and not delivering on the projection and everything. So this is Gris Charnel Extrait by BDK. This is actually what I'm craving. This is what I wanted the original one to be. It's not too fleeting, it's actually much creamier, a little bit heavier. It's this black tea with figs, but it's just made really more woody, very, very creamy, very long lasting. It's perfection. This is now what I crave. It smells very chic. People ask me, I think my sister asked me immediately what I was wearing when I wore Gris Chanel Extrait. It's just a head turner, but it's not too loud. Like you will smell it after 10 hours, but like maybe some whiffs of this fragrance, but it's not loud. So an amazing, really perfect black tea, spicy fragrance that is just a little bit sexy, but more like sensual and cocooning. And I definitely recommend this one over the original one. And the good old that I just cannot get enough of, I still love it. It's more masculine leaning, but this is Disia Toxic Elle Intense by M. Mikolev. So this is like a cannabis, gorgeous, a little bit smoky, black currant fragrance. It sits closer to the skin, but this is the Elle Intense version, and I had the original one. I broke the bottle. I loved that one. It was in my top 10 for life for like 2 years, and my husband, this is his signature fragrance too. It is like, oh, it's so good. Like nothing screams fall more for me than Disia Toxic. I think Emma Mikolev does amazing masculine leaning fragrances. This one is, in my opinion, like unisex, but if I can recommend one fragrance for gentlemen blindly, like always sample first. I never do that, but to be used a lot because you will love this fragrance, go for this one. The next fragrance is just this one. Ansa Suave by Mattia Premier. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is a gorgeous incense fragrance. It's like very honeyed, it smells golden, it smells woody, airy, dry, it's sexy, it's very enveloping. It's beautiful. Like if you love incense, which it has been popular this year, especially Amouage, like they overdo it on the incense always. This is why I don't buy many of their fragrances. But this one is sweet, honeyed, dry, airy, sexy, very cocooning. It's long lasting. It's not like intrusive. Okay, the incense, it's not like this Catholic incense. It's just very, I don't know, like inviting. I would even wear this one during winter, but for me, this is my #1 incense fall fragrance. Okay, the next incense fragrance that is, I don't know, it's the newest release, I think, of last year, if I'm not mistaken, like somewhere around October. This is Encens Sacré by Paris Monte Carlo. Paris Monte Carlo has like, for me, like pure extraits. Like this is an eau de parfum, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, eau de parfum 100 milliliters. But they like, I don't know, their fragrances are simple. It's not a lot of notes, like 60, 40. It's just a few notes. And here the main star is incense. So this is a mastic, frankincense, incense, gorgeous sandalwood ambery fragrance. It is smoky, it definitely is, but it's just, it has something, you know what, I thought there's hazelnuts and chocolate. It has like something a little bit gourmand. It is for me on the unisex, definitely unisex, but a bit more masculine leaning side because it is like smoky and it's a little bit heavy in the beginning and then it gets lighter on the skin. So in cold weather, this is just perfection. If you love incense, frankincense, patchouli, sandalwood, and amber, this is a beautiful, very pure, like smelling fragrance. So high quality. So incredible. So the next one that has an amazing trail you cannot imagine. It is Farsa by Sospiro. I think it's the release maybe of last year, but again, I'm not sure. Now this one, it's a cocoa, rum, black currant, saffron heavy fragrance, but it's so like cozy. The trail is really like a pure head turner. It is sweet. It has some ambergris, musk, and oud, which you can definitely smell because the base is a little bit heavier, but the cocoa is like, imagine the typical chocolate cocoa fragrance without the obnoxious sweetness. Some Italian flair, or just, you know, just something a little bit spicy. And then you get Farsa. It is unisex, it's a little bit sweet, gourmand, spicy, woody. It definitely smells very mature. Like you have your confidence, you know who you are. I just need to wear it now that I'm saying this. I just want to smell like very confident. And it's also long lasting, it projects a lot. And the last one is Dark Opulence by SCENTOLOGIA. This is a beauty. I just don't know, like it really does its thing. It is a tobacco osmanthus, very daring, sexy, unisex, gorgeous fragrance. If you love leather, oud, kayak wood, a lot of tobacco, and black tea. Go for this one. Just imagine, you know, typically black tea fragrances smell a little bit more like calming and like very modern and light. This one is like the dark night of black tea. It has a lot of power, self-esteem, but it's not too punchy. It's not like right up in your face. It's not headache inducing. It has a lot of rum and ginger in the opening. So you're getting like something zingy and a little bit refreshing or contrasting. And then you get the tobacco, the asmanthus that just adds a little bit of this exotic touch. The black tea that you can smell in the opening and in the dry down, and the kayak wood with leather. I'm telling you, this is for leather lovers, this fragrance with the black tea, a bit of ginger and asmanthus. It's really so unique. I find this one incredible. And so this was my selection of edgy, dark, sexy fragrances for the fall or transitional weather. Do let me know if you enjoyed this selection, if you have some of these fragrances, which I'm not sure because I went for more like unique pieces. But again, do let me know if you have some of these, and I will see you in one of my next videos.